Reaction tonight as the Illinois assault weapons ban survives another legal challenge. The nation's highest court denying an emergency injunction from opponents. We're taking a look at what the court's action means.
WGN Shannon Halligan is here with more on today's developments. Shannon?
Yeah, the Attorney General, the Archbishop of Chicago, the governor, all voiced their support of the assault weapons ban in Illinois and welcomed the news that the law will stand for the time being. But this battle is far from over. All the way from the Supreme Court, the assault weapons ban in Illinois stays for the time being. WGN political analyst Paul Lisnick explained the High Court denied an emergency request to challenge the law.
The case may take quite a while to proceed through the system. The United States Supreme Court telling us the ban can stay while you work it out.
A Naperville gun shop owner and a national gun rights organization had requested the Supreme Court step in and halt the enforcement of the ban. The Illinois law bars the sale of certain semi-automatic guns and large-capacity magazines. The legislation was driven largely by the Highland Park 4th of July parade shooting, where 7 people died after a shooter fired an AR-15 rifle into the crowd. Governor Pritzker issued a statement following the Supreme Court's action, saying in part, the gun lobby has insisted on every legal maneuver to block this law, refusing to acknowledge that lives will be saved by this important piece of legislation. Despite these challenges, I remain confident that the assault weapons ban will be upheld and will create a safer Illinois for our residents. The National Association for Gun Rights vowed to continue the fight against the law, saying in a statement, commonly owned weapons are protected by the Second Amendment and banning them has to stop. We look forward to taking our case to the Supreme Court where we will prevail. It's just one of many lawsuits working its way through the system, but the Supreme Court's action doesn't indicate how it would ultimately decide.
That is not a substantive comment about any of the matters in any of the courts. That's just the U.S. Supreme Court way of stepping in and saying, here's what you're going to do while you handle this issue. It's really not them standing behind any particular court per se.
The court did not comment on the challenge, and no justice publicly dissented, so more to come on this.
All right, Shannon, thank you.